Good morning, everybody. Guess what? I am here to share with you guys new coupons to print. Now, if you guys do print your coupons from Swagbucks and you guys do have points saved up, start redeeming them now. You don't get them back instantly. Some of them could take up to over a week to get. So if you guys are preparing for Black Friday, definitely start redeeming your gift cards. I just did one from Target and they said it'll take about 5 days to get. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. That is how I print, or that's how I get paid, you know, by printing coupons. I just do stuff like that. But I am here to share with you guys new coupons to print. Now, I always tell you this. I print my coupons on Swagbucks, and then I use a different phone number and a different browser, and I go through my points. I do have a referral link below if you guys want to join. Charlotte says hi. But you guys would end up getting points if you guys click my referral link. So, yeah. So, I just checked, and they added some new coupons, so we're just going to print some. So, we have $1.25 off Petridge Farm. I don't know. I mean, that's a good coupon, but I haven't seen any good deals with that. We do have $1 off of 2 Quaker oatmeal. I'm going to print that off. 50 cents off of 7th Generation. I think that one's been available for a while. $1 off of 2 Nestle Coffee Mates. Here we got $1 off the zero protein one. I'm going to print that off because there is some kind of deal on Ibotta. And then Truvia, here's $1 or $2.50 off of that one. There is some kind of deal off of Ibotta for that. Here's a 50-cent Nestle coffee for one of them. Pillsbury, General Mills. The Degree is still available. I never printed them off. I just don't feel like I need to. But if you guys want to, go ahead. Monkey Bread is still available. General Mills Snack. Drano. Sargento. Or no, Sorbetto. Sorry, I'm looking through my computer screen. I can't see my camera. But here we got 50 cents off Godiva gift box. Now, that's not the greatest coupon, but if you guys want to go ahead and print it, it probably won't expire till around Christmas anyways. And there might be some deals that you guys can use with that. Mrs. Myers, $1 off. And I didn't even scroll down. I just noticed they had the Quaker State new coupons to print. So go ahead. Stacy's, I think that is a new coupon. A lot of dog food. More baby food. Yes. Now here it says click to save at Martin's. I don't have a Martin's, so there's that. A lot of General Mills. I wonder if there is any coupons. Let's just click and see if it takes you anywhere. Stop and Shop. It's like groceries. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I tried, you guys. I tried. $1 off 2 little mixers is still available. Load-in Cetaphil, Vicks. A lot of these are savings star deals, so they want you to click them and then they take you to their website. That's what they want you to do. So a lot of these are not coupons. They're probably store coupons that are connected to your guys' account. And then the stuff that's still available is Scrubbing Bubbles, Honey Smacks, Gerber, and then that Mahatma. Right, so I just wanted to kind of just share you guys new coupons to print in case you guys want to go ahead and do it. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.